Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to share with you my 7th Google Scholar citation on my research study about human resource information system with machine learning integration. Yesterday, I was in a supermarket, and then when I checked my Gmail, I received this notification, Google Scholar alerts. There is a researcher who just cited my study as a part of his study named Assis Tork E. Ersoy, the Journal of Original Studies 2025. Okay, so while I'm checking, it appears that it is already my 7th citation since 2020. So my study about human resource information system with machine learning integration was already cited 7 times since it was published way back 2022. So I have also other researches in collaboration with other researchers. My recent is last year, hybrid learning model based on machine learning. It is my dissertation study in my Doctor of Philosophy in Technology Management. And then the other one is a collaboration with my thesis advisee, Ma'am Maria Balontong. The study is C4.5 Decision Tree Algorithm and Linear Regression in Guidance and Counseling Decision Support System. By the way guys, I will put the link of my Google Scholar so that if you want to cite my study related to artificial intelligence and computer science or in machine learning, you may do so. I will be happy if you can cite my study also to increase my citation count. By now, I have 7 citations in 1 high index. Thank you so much for your support. Keep researching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.